heat mappers out there of the My Market heat map. And in today's video, we're going to look into the tool chest that comes with the heat map indicator and actually see how to use sentiment. Now, if you've ever been in a trade and wondered, man, I know there's dumb money and smart money. I wonder if I'm the dumb money or the smart money. Well, this indicator will show you where the smart money is and where the dumb money is and how to actually trade the pair that you're looking at. Okay, so let's go ahead without further ado. Let's go into our My Market heat map and let's go ahead and do this here. Okay. All right. So you go to My Market heat map. If you want to log in, you go down. We have account, My Market heat maps, and if you look on down here, we have Trader Tools. Trader Tools got a lot of stuff here. We've got charts and quotes, an economic calendar, financial news stream, and forex calculators, liquidity, central bank rates. But we're going to go down here to sentiment. We're going to click sentiment. Okay, and we go to sentiment. We can scroll down. We're going to choose currencies. And so there we go. We have our currencies. We have the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and what we have here is this displays how retail traders are positioned in the market. I guess it's updated every 30 minutes or so, and we want to take a look at the ratio of longs to short, okay, of the retail clients. And the retail traders here seem like 68% of them are net short or short the Australian dollar, okay? As the Australian dollar versus we're looking at versus the US dollar, okay? And we're actually looking at this and we're seeing that with all these people who believe the Australian dollar is going down, the smart money is actually doing the opposite, okay? Unlike elections and beauty contests where the people with the most votes win, in this case, since 90% of 80 or 90% of people, depending what statistics you look at, about 90% of all traders lose. Well, guess what? The majority of people are going to be wrong, right? So, and losers pay winners in the forex market. I know it doesn't sound fair, but the key is don't be a loser, right? And so we look at this and we can see that there's a lot of people are short the Australian dollar, and usually they try to pick tops. Usually, the reason why this is so is because when a market is trending, people try to pick the top, and they try to sell the top and buy the bottom. And when they do that without having proper skills and without a proper strategy, we do have a system and a strategy for picking tops and bottoms, right? But most people do not, and so it's a loser's game. Because now we have a trending market where you can see that at 68% of people are short. As price moves against them and the Aussie dollar goes up, these people are in pain. Their stops are getting driven. The forex is also not just driven by losers; it's a stop-driven market, right? And if you get stopped out, you're losing. Now, I'm not saying that you might have a day or two or maybe an hour or so where the Aussie dollar pulls down or pulls back against some of the US dollar or some of the other pairs. And some people can get in and out and actually make money on the short side. But for the most part, this is being a short Aussie dollar is going to be a losing proposition. Also, we see when we see this indicator tilted maybe 2-to-1 or 3-to-1, like right now the shorts are 2-to-1, right? For every one person, there's three people short or two people short. Actually, it's 2-to-1 here, 2-to-1 here. Here it's evenly matched, right? 54 and 46. That's almost, it's very close to 50, right? It's a little off, but still, we want to see a large gap between the losers and winners. And then we want to trade against those losers, right? So 36%, it's a pretty big difference between the two. Another one that's pretty big is, we would see is the Japanese yen. So 62% of the people who are basically they're long yen, right? And and we could pair the yen versus the it's except for the dollar. I would pair this against I would pick Aussie and yen. You got a lot of people who are long yen and short Aussie. You put Aussie yen together, then you're gonna have a very strong trend, right? Because a lot of people are long the yen, okay? Which in on the currency pair, Aussie yen, if you're long yen, you think the yen is going to get stronger, and that means the chart's going down. I know it can be a little confusing, but that's what you would look at. So anyway, we want the two key points here. You want to find a currency that a lot of people are moving against it, and there's a big difference, right? Like a big gap, a big spread. I usually stick with the major currency pairs, right? Here you have 63% of people are long the US dollar. Well, guess what? Only 36% are short, right? Um, this majority shows that the retail people are long dollar and they're paying the price. They're losing, right? So again, it's counterintuitive where you want to do the opposite of what the majority is doing. I hope that helps. If you want to access the My Market Heat Map, you can try it for $1 for 7 days. Take a test spin. Take a look at all the things that we have here, including we have all currency heat map. We have equity heat map, commodities heat map. Everything these are pairs arranged by percentage change. It lets you know what's hopping, what's popping, what's dropping in the market. And then you can have access it after 7 days. You can have a subscription for 1 year at 75% off with the coupon Dollar Heat Map. Go to Dollar Heat Map. You want to go to My Market Heat Map, and you want to go to our special page here called pay/trial in order to access that page. And then that way you can type in the coupon code. Again, the coupon that you type it here is dollar heat map. And this is a limited time offer to try it for $1 and you can get 75% off the regular price, the $199.97 price. You're going to get 75% off. And that's cool. Shows down as soon as we enter that coupon code in, apply coupon code, right? And then you get that big discount right there. Okay. All right. This is Greg McLeod signing off with My Market Heat Map. Take your trading to the next level. Love you guys. Peace and pips. Cheers. Bye.